Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for November 16th, 2016. As you see, it's about 33 minutes after the close. We're actually on the premium side today till well after the close, going over all kinds of strategies and what we're going to do tomorrow and what we could do today. Really, the last hour, we had to just be sure we saved our behinds in here. So let me sum up what happened in the market today. If the ES is up 18, really what happened was the NASDAQ being up earlier in the day, keeping the ESs that were trying to act weaker than expected from going down. The Russell trying to go down, but this strong NASDAQ finally turned around everything. The second thing we had going for us was the bonds. Bonds only up 1 in here now. Like I said, this is a big old accident waiting to happen in the long run. But when these bonds sold off today, which meant the yield curve kept steep, then the bank stocks turned around. You had Goldman Sachs at one time was down over 3 points, ended up for the day. So when you saw the financials start to turn around, the ESs turned around, and we have this move in here. Like I said, we had the Russell finally underperforming, they only up 250. That's a minor miracle if you were short. Yeah, the bonds only up 2 today. Tell you right now, a lot of people are trading the Googles of the world, and the Amazons are trying to trade Goldman Sachs. Telling you right now, the big moves in here, and we're going to talk about it on the premium video, is in a lot of stocks that are interest rate sensitive that aren't the banks. And we'll get into that on the other, sort of a teaser for you to encourage you to go to the premium side. You had the Dow Jones Industrials up 54. They were down all day to the last hour. You had the SPX in here up about 16. You have the transports up 48, gold up a bit, up 6, finally up a little. Crude oil having a big old pop. That didn't hurt the ESs either because you get the oil stocks participating today. You also, I'll tell you right now, something that happened earlier in the day was watch the reversal in some of the economically sensitive stocks like U.S. Steel and Caterpillar. Heck of a comeback, and that definitely helped the mood of the market totally. You also had in here the advanced decline, finally 1,000 more advancers and decliners. Actually about 1342. This has been every day a very disappointing attribute. Today a little better. You have the UVXY down 112. The VIX actually up today. This is just unbelievable. I'm not sure that's right. Yeah, that's what I thought. This is because it's rolling to the next month. So don't believe that. Do it instead like this. Go into VIX. That's the way I always do it because there are all these kind of rolls with the VIX futures I don't understand. The VIX is the way to do it. VIX closed down 111. That's what you need to know. VIX closing near its low for the day. I didn't think that was right. You have the Nikkei up 195. Like I said, that's been a big old winner for everybody in Simpler Stock Premium, buying the hedged equity fund that participates in the Nikkei. You have the German DAX doing much of nothing. The Chinese market not doing much. Like I said, TLT, just a moderate gain, nothing to write home about. We still have the put-call ratio very low in here, and we're going to have to watch that in the next couple of days. The other thing we're going to have to watch in here is things like copper. Copper's starting to have some amazing moves in here, up and down. Go and put a 78-minute chart in here. We're talking about something that went from 275 down to 245 and then stabilizing. Very interested to see how that is in the next couple of days. Just so you know in here, we're going to be talking about on the premium side what we do next with the ESs and NQs. Is this near a top, or are the NQs now going to go to a new high? That's one thing we're going to watch very carefully in there. Just so you know, we have the $7 30-day trial, and that includes this. Includes the chat room, where I'm on from 9 to 10 Eastern every morning. Premium video, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. And this is one of the biggest things, the email alerts. Now, we're going to include a forum that's a message-based, sort of a message board type of way to communicate between subscribers and also to ask me questions. You can also email me if you're part of the service. I usually answer within an hour. I have a great reputation for doing that. I've been doing this 34 years. Find how many people that, with my experience, that do this kind of job that answer emails within an hour. It's not very normal. Let's put it that way. If you want a lot of services, and I went through them last night, If you want to get replied to within an hour, they're like $1,000 a month. So this is a bargain compared to them. Email alerts, I'm very proud of what this includes. Stock trades and chart ideas, index and futures charts, unusual option activity. When I see unusual options, I'll post them. I usually post about 6 stock trades a day, 6 index and futures charts. If you want to know what I posted today, this will wet your whistle in here. Overbought overall, but a few long ideas. And let me just tell you, all you need is one of these, and this will pay for your entire year. Check out TOPS in here. I actually put this on my other screen on here. TOPS, I actually showed as a long idea on the video last night. I forgot I didn't post it. I put it on the premium video. Check out this shipping stock today. There you go. I recommended it here. Don't think it opened here. You had all the chance in the world pre-opening to buy it at 360. About 10,000 shares traded there. That's only a double overnight. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. One last thing. We're starting a gold membership. A gold membership. Our current membership's 30 days. Like I said, you get the trial for 7 days. $7. You have $79 gold membership for the silver. If you want to upgrade to gold, it includes the Trade the Open, that 9 to 10. It includes the recording. It includes ideas versus email via email alerts and the premium video. But what it includes that I think is a big deal, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I'm on an extra hour. We have made more money in that hour. I really like trading the last hour. The other thing in here is a live trade monthly class. This is a 3-hour live trading on expiration Friday, the 3rd Friday of the month, the normal expiration. I was going to charge anywhere from $99 to $299 just for those 3 hours. It's included free with your subscription. And guess what? This Friday is the 3rd Friday of the month. That is not for silver members. It's not for the trial. You have to go right to a gold membership to get that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for listening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.